in order to get subtitles for your Facebook video, you will go into Facebook and find the video and say you want subtitles for day 3, this one right here. So I'll click play.
Hi, everybody.
And pulls up the video
it's
website
Dr. Lindsay
on
Padilla,
Facebook.
again, founder of Build a Better Beta and host of the Academics Name Pod.
And that brings up a mobile version of the website. If you click play here, it opens a new tab. And then once this starts playing, you can right click and save video as. I guess you don't have to wait for it to start playing.
Hi, everybody.
And you can call
it's
it whatever you
Dr.
want.
Lindsay Padilla, again, founder of Build a Better Beta and host of the Academics Name Podcast.
So once that's finished, once that finishes downloading, you will go into YouTube, and we're going to use YouTube to generate the subtitles. And you're going to get to the upload page, which you can find in the top right corner. If you click this and say upload video, it'll bring you to this site. And you would drag your video file from your computer into this place. So it's taking a while to download and it's going to take a while to upload. So I'm going to just stop this and jump to it being completely finished uploading. So once it's finished uploading, you should see it in your list of videos, which you can get to. It should take you there, but you can also click on this and go to Creator Studio, which is where I am right now. So right here is day 3. The video is uploaded. And if you go next to Edit, click the drop down and click on Subtitles/closed caption. It pulls up your video, and it's not going to have this. You want the automatic next to the language to show up, and that takes a while. So after you upload the video, I would say wait a few hours, because Google or YouTube has to go through and process that this video exists and generate the closed captions for you. So originally there'll just be nothing here. You can click add and type and click English and or whatever language you want, but that's you typing it yourself. You want to wait for YouTube to generate this automatic version. Once it's here, again, it takes a few hours for it to show up, and you can always come back to your video manager and get into the subtitles/closed captions to see if it's done yet. Here it is. This is all automatically generated, and what you can do is hit edit, because it's not going to be perfect, and start changing things. And you can go in and change this. Should be capitalized, and this should be also capitalized, and this is it's with an apostrophe, and that's not how you spell her name. So anyway, you can go through and edit these as much as you want. You don't have to do the whole thing. I mean, I would recommend getting the first part, because people are probably just going to watch the beginning anyway. And if they're already watching, the fact that things aren't capitalized properly probably isn't going to turn them off. And the words themselves are actually pretty close to perfect. What needs to change is like punctuation and things like that. So you might have to change a few words, but if you get the first minute or so down, it should be fine. Once it's finished, you can hit save changes. And what that's going to do, overwrite the existing subtitles. Sure, I already did this earlier, so it's going to overwrite what I did before, which is fine. I've already exported the proper ones. So what that did is it changed, this is again the automatic ones that YouTube created. It populates this English itself with the fixed version, the one that you corrected. See, now it has the correct case and the correct punctuation for that. This is the changed version that I just made, the English without the automatic next to it. So at this moment, it's all ready to go, because you've made the changes, and then you click download as an SRT file, and it creates this captions.srt. So let me open that up. And then what we're going to do is inside the file itself, the file name, put a .en for English and _US for US English. That's the way Facebook wants these captions to be named. This can be anything you want. This word captions could be blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter. Facebook doesn't care what that is. It does care that it's language and _ a country, and then .srt, and then English US is the way they want it. And Facebook has information on how to use these here for whatever language or country you're looking to get subtitles for. So once that's done, go back into Facebook, and you're going to upload this SRT file in your ads manager. Okay, so I'm in the ads manager right now looking at the day 3 video ad that we have that we made subtitles for. And when you click on that video, you would scroll down and you've already started the ad running the existing post video. And then right below here is video captions recommended. And here is where you say, I've already done this, but let me show you. It's where you hit edit and it asks you to upload an SRT file. And this is where it tells you about the 2-letter language code and the 2-letter country code, and which ends up being this EN_US. And it'll give you an error and tell you what you should do if you didn't do that properly. And so what happens now is you select the file, and I have that blah, blah, blah right there. I'm not going to do it because I've already uploaded the correct one, but this is what you would upload. And then it shows up here, and then you can select the backup language as English if you like, and hit save. And then your captions are now on your video, which is running as an ad.